So on the 22nd of March I was at Slateford to go and see some of the trains there. My first catch today was 2Y51, the 1805 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Edinburgh with 158739 and 158732. And also fun fact, this was the last train of the day to run from Edinburgh to Glasgow via Shotts. This is 9S70, the 1809 Demand West Coast service to Edinburgh from London Euston with 221 108 and 221 104. Then this is 1499, the 1816 DB cargo service to Tees Docks BSC Export Berth from Grangemouth TDG EWS with 66171. Then my last catch today was 1M93, the 1822 Trans-Pennine Express service to Manchester Airport from Edinburgh with 397005.